and sellers, it's me, Show and Sell with Noel. I am here in my office tonight because I'm so excited to show you like my feeling of gratitude when I have a satisfied client and they provide me with a gift. I love gifts. Oh, there's the bow. Wait. Oh, there's a cute little burlap bow. I absolutely love gifts. And just to top it off, they closed right before my birthday. So the box says happy birthday and they got me a card and I'm so super excited. So I'm gonna share some stuff with you because it's not very often that, you know, we do a lot for our clients and our clients actually like give back to us and appreciate the process and going through the process with them. So, but my clients do, they love me. So the card says, nice job, thumbs up, yay. And it says, thanks for working so hard and being so easy to work with. That brought me to tears. I was so excited about it. Thank you so much, Harvey and Renee. So, cute card. It's such a like special touch card because I pick cards out and I try to make sure that the cards actually like match what I'm thinking and what I'm trying to say. So very thoughtful. All right, into the box of goodies. Look at that. Yes. All right, so the first thing which I was so excited about when I opened the box was my daily gratitude journal. This resonated so well with me. It is a little journal that daily I can put a date and I can journal and write. And if you know me well, you know I love pens and I love keeping daily notebooks and journals all around my office because I like to write things. And I told Renee at closing that this meant a lot to me because next year I am going to focus on gratitude and having an attitude of gratitude and the blessings that flow from it. So very excited about that. Thank you. The next thing that I'd like to show you is these socks. I love high socks, fuzzy socks, cozy socks, all different kind of socks. But these are called hot socks for women. And they're super cute because if you can see what it says on there, for sale, and it has houses with keys and for sale signs. That is so cute. Oh my gosh, and they're super soft and colorful. Those are cute. And then I got this sign tag that I will definitely be adding to my desk as a daily reminder that I am a lady girl boss. Yes, and it's in pink and gold, which matches my office. The other piece from the box, which is my absolute favoriteest thing ever. She read my mind. I had been eyeballing these on social media for a while. It is a stainless steel wine tumbler. And look what it says. Everything I touch turns to sold. I love this. This is so cute. And it has a nice lid on it and it is a wine tumbler.